Namaste Bitya, Sada Khush Raho. A very good morning to all of you. Myself JVN Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor and the HOD in the Department of Community Medicine in Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I welcome you all. The topic for today's practical digital session is Hepatitis A vaccine. Now, the types of vaccines that protects against hepatitis A. There are mainly two vaccines that protects against hepatitis A. The hepatitis A vaccines, first one is protects infants, children and adults from hepatitis A, and the second one is hepatitis A and B. This is in the combination vaccine which protects adults from both hepatitis A and hepatitis B. What is hepatitis A? Hepatitis A is an infectious disease of the liver caused by hepatovirus A. This is hepatovirus A and it is a type of viral hepatitis. Many cases have few or no symptoms, especially in the young. The time between infection and symptoms in those who develop them is between 2 to 6 weeks. So this is the incubation period of viral hepatitis A, and it is usually spread by eating food or drinking water contaminated with infected feces. So the mode of transmission is fecal-oral route. It's a foodborne disease. Now here are the symptoms of hepatitis A, and generally the symptoms are fever, feeling tired, upset stomach and throwing up, not feeling hungry. This is loss of appetite, dark or clay colored stool, pain in the joints and stomach, and jaundice. Symptoms usually last less than 2 months, but they can last as long as 6 months. Hepatitis A usually spreads when someone eats or drinks something that has come in contact with stool of someone or poop of someone with the hepatitis A virus. For example, hepatitis A can spread from when someone who has it doesn't wash their hands properly after using the bathroom and then touches the food. And then now, why is the hepatitis A vaccine is important? Because of the vaccines rate of hepatitis A in the United States are the lowest they have been in 40 years. But hepatitis A is still common in other countries like in India or in other developing countries. So it is possible for people to get the disease when they travel. Most people who get hepatitis A only get a mild form of the disease. But in some cases, hepatitis A can lead to serious liver problems and even death. But it is very, very rare. Hepatitis B is much dangerous in comparison to hepatitis A. So getting vaccinated is the best way to prevent hepatitis A. Now, who needs to get the vaccines of hepatitis A? Persons who travels in countries for working purpose that have in countries that have high or intermediate rates of infections, or persons who have occupational risk of infections like in research settings working with non-human primates, persons with clotting factors disorders, and persons with chronic liver diseases, or persons who are getting treatment of certain bleeding disorders like hemophilia. So these are the high risk groups who can get infections easily of hepatitis A. So these groups must have vaccinated for hepatitis A. Who should not get the hepatitis A vaccine? Some people should not get the hepatitis A vaccines because of some reason, because have had life-threatening allergic reactions to the hepatitis A vaccines or any ingredient in the vaccines, or who are ill or sick. Now, the side effects of a hepatitis A vaccines. Side effects are usually mild and go away in a few days, and they include soreness or redness where the shot was given, fever, headache, feeling tired, and serious side effects from the hepatitis A vaccines are very rare. So mainly these there are very few mild symptoms which may arise after vaccination. So this is all about the hepatitis A vaccines. And if you have any query related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. Thank you so much. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you so much.